What's up, everyone? Thanks for tuning into my channel, Jace's Own World. Just want to show you what I just did to my MK7 GTI here. As you can see in my last video where I talked about my alternator through Power Bastards, we got that installed. It was fairly easy, but it probably is a two-person job if you want to get it done faster. What's up? If you want to get it done faster, there's just this AC hose right here that's kind of a pain in the way. You have to take off this little plug right here. You got to take off the belt, obviously, and then there's 4 bolts that hold the alternator on. And yeah, honestly, not too bad of a job. It's just kind of difficult trying to get it through this little area right here. So you kind of have to pull this AC hose back. You just unclip it right here and you just kind of yank it back with some zip ties or some bungee cords or something like that. But I didn't only do the alternator on the car. I also was going to do the Big 3 upgrade, which is considered a Big 3 like power wire upgrade, 0 gauge wire. And what I did is I connected a 0 gauge wire from the power right here. It's in the back there, it's on the back here, but you route that, use the factory routing, and you route that to the positive terminal of the battery. What's up, guys? And so that's what I did here, and that's what this wire is here. You can see all of this big wire, and I had to like figure it all out and stuff. So that's the first wire. The next wire is the negative terminal on the battery to a body ground, and I just chose that spot right there, cleaned it all off really well with the wire brush and everything, and then that was that. And then the third one is basically the hardest one to find, and that is from the engine block to the body of the car, and that's going to be a ground also, and that's also 0 gauge. And I didn't really know where that was located because there's no videos of that being located anywhere, but we finally found where it was. And basically underneath the intake box here, you will see your starter underneath that, and on the starter is a wire that's connected to it that goes, and then it also connects to the body. That is your engine block to your body ground, and that's going to be the third wire. So that's what I did. I can't really show it to you because everything's put back together, but anyways, really stoked. The car runs great. The car starts up perfectly fine every single time. Everything is good. So like I said, I got this alternator from Power Bastards. It was a direct plug and play. There were really if you're not even doing the Big 3 wiring on this car, it's pretty simple. Most of the time we spent on this job was doing the Big 3 wiring because of the routing and all that stuff, and it's such a big wire. But it's a direct plug and play for the Power Bastards. Everything works great. Get yourself a pulley tensioner tool. That's what I have. I have a gear wrench one. And then yeah, pretty easy job, but super stoked about it. Here is my nephew's, I think it's a Eclipse Spider GT, right? Eclipse Spider GT?
Yeah.
Yep. Doesn't start right now. I think it needs a new starter. Anyways, he's super stoked about that. But yeah, so that's that. And yeah, so I'm just going to leave it there. Just wanted to show you how I routed the Big 3 wiring mostly, and also show you the new alternator in the GTI. Thanks for watching, guys, and until the next video, peace.